Hello friends. So continuing with the last video where I updated on order for study for cost and management audit paper, where cost and management audit paper we divided into three sections: cost audit, internal control and cost management audit. So in cost audit we saw which all chapters to be given more importance and in which order to study. So chapter 1 to start with, followed by 5, 6, 2, 8, 3, 4 and 7th chapter, and then internal control chapter 11th, management audit 9th and 10th chapter. So this is the order for study. So today continuing with the second lecture on breakup of course content, we are going to see what is the breakup of course content. Okay, so starting with lecture 2, breakup on course content. See, most of the students are in mindset that this subject is fully theory subject, boring subject, all those stuff. But this lecture will clarify that it is not pure theory subject, it is a mix of both theory and practical. And again I will repeat, in last video again in last video I said this paper is going to boost your mark. It is a scoring subject. Most of the people who give their best effort score exemption in this paper. So that is why I'm saying you should understand first which chapters are theory chapter, which chapters are practical chapters, which are mix of both, what is the weightage. You should understand those basic things first in each and every subject, not only cost and management audit paper. In each and every subject plan accordingly, and you can clearly you can have a mindset which chapter to focus on, which priority. You can make an ABC analysis also for each chapters in each subject. Okay, not to waste much time, we'll start with breakup of course content topic, where I will be dividing into two. Again, there will be some flow chart here also. So the heading for the flow chart is very simple: pure theory plus practical. So which is pure which is pure theory and which is pure which is theory plus practical, both we are going to see. And we are also going to see the weightage, which are all chapters to be focused more on. So not to waste more time, we'll go with further breakup. So when I talk about pure theory, I will take chapter wise chapter. So chapters, we are going to focus on first chapter. Chapter number 1 is pure theory. Chapter number 1 is pure theory. Chapter number 3 is also a pure theory. Then chapter 4. Then chapter 6. Then chapter 7. Then chapter 9. Then chapter 10. Then chapter 11. So all these chapters are pure theory chapters. You have to sit and study based on theory only. Focus should be more on theory only. What are all chapters which has theory plus practical? So chapter number 2 is a pure theory plus practical. It's not only theory. Chapter number 5 is both theory plus practical. Chapter number 8, chapter number 12. So these are the chapters which are having theory plus practical. Now you will ask, what is the weightage? So you should understand weightage. We will take red color itself. Okay. So totally how many chapters in theory plus practical? 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4 chapters in your exam it comes for 65 to 80 marks. Believe me, this 4 chapters alone comes for 65 to 80 marks. If you are going to study this 4 chapters alone, you are going to score 65 to 80 marks. In and out of this chapters, if you are going to study, you are going to get 65 to 80 marks only by studying 4 chapters. You are going to write for 100 marks paper. Out of 100 marks, 4 chapters alone will cover 65 to 80 marks of your paper. Balance will be from here. Balance how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 chapters you have to study, and you are going to get only 35, we can say 20 to 35 marks. By studying 8 chapters, and all the 8 chapters are pure theory chapter, but both theory and practical total together you have to study only 4 chapters to score how many marks? 65 to 80 marks. And in this 4 chapters also, if you are going to give more importance to chapter number 5, I am highlighting here in different color for you guys. Chapter number 5, cost accounting standards, in short CAS, is very important chapter. So that's it from my end for today. This is what I wanted to give you all guys, an information, an important information. Plan your chapters and study accordingly to score more marks in paper 19. Thank you so much.